Hey there everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to see previous Instagram stories that you have posted. So basically, stories that you've posted before and they disappeared and you want to see them again. It's a pretty simple thing to do, so let's just jump into it and start. Open up your Instagram. Once you've done that, click on your profile on the bottom right over here. Then click on the settings on the top right and click on archive here. So here you can see stories, locations, posts that you've made before and deleted. You can even search them by date to see what, where, who. And you can, instead of stories, search posts or live archives and stories back to them. And that's pretty much how you do it. So if you want to check them out again, just open up these. And that's it. And if you want to share it again, just click on share on the bottom here. And that's it. Hope this helped you. See you next time. If it did, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.